So the origin sensor is normally, it has white ending like this one. It will be connected here. The wire will now go like this. It will now stay here. It has like a magnet, a small magnet that would stay here, that will stay here like this. For detail. Then there will now be another one that when we measure from here to 50 centimeter, there will now be another magnet here. So the moment the gate is moving, the two magnets will be seeing each other here, and the gate will work effectively. So that's what is not there, sir. Yes, sir. I will look for the picture online, and I will send the online picture to you, sir. Bye, sir. Now, let's use red for first. Where is the plier? You know, do as correct if they do. Although you feel tired today, thank you.
How collecting the
As they come, they bring the people conference.
Don't be time now. Cap and wine, see?
Hey, now,
Don't be time now. And you know, if you are for any good town, they are nice village.
I need more zero.
It's very flat that is there. I said we will sharpen the mouth of that one.
Red open sensor, meaning that if anything pass, like if anything block, open back. If I leave like this, can you see it's now going back, working perfectly. So if I want to check this error, you come to error. You see battery error and general controller error. So origin, so disconnected. If it is G Evo, if it is Evo, you might not use 1, 2, 3, 4. You can use commonly open and commonly close. What happen?
Which one?
It's loading it. It has seen internet now.
Yeah.
The moment it's right to G, it has seen G. It has seen G. So it means the configuration I did there is correct. I'll connect IO1 here to IO1 here. I'll collect that video from you.
No problem. I'll send everything to you.
So we need IO2 is what? What do I call IO2?
IoT is one. IoT is pedestrian.
IO stand for input output. IO2 is pedestrian.
Pedestrian, yes.
It's automatically set there as pedestrian. The only thing is that these people need a network booster here. You know we have wire pair that normally come with network AP2. And the wire must not touch each other. It now remain what? the status. Status will be telling us what's happening. IO, what's IO3? IO3 is not status. IO3 is for IR beam. It's for beam. That is wired. Yeah. So it's IO4 that is status. I want to cut wire for 4 now. And we normally make sure that we don't use the same color of wire so that we don't mix them up. I'm hungry. And I will stop happening. Game for it. Since I'm using G Ultra, my G4 will be on. So I'm done with that one. If I'm using, let me say I'm using Chrono Guard now, automatically it has already.
Sir, share the light side we face the gate. Aya mepe kwa kafe. Mepe. Now for pedestrian crossing.
Amanda. Ayo baby. Yes.
That is temptation. He said, go,